Hey friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to save a job on LinkedIn. So if you're on LinkedIn guys and you're searching for jobs, as I show you here, let me show you how you can quickly find jobs. So tap the jobs icon there at the bottom right, and you can just simply type in jobs here at the top. So you can type whatever it is. So I'm gonna just look for some editing jobs there, and once you find a job, just simply tap on the job and you will have the option to save it. So any job you come across, you can easily open that job and you can save. So just simple tap on the save button and it's going to go into saved, and as you can see, it's going to save in my job. So whenever you find a job that you like or you want to save, you can save it. And in order to view those saved jobs, it is super easy. All you have to do is when you're on jobs at the bottom there, you'll find the top there, you'll have many options, preferences, and all those good stuff, and you can tap on the my jobs at the top, and this is going to show you those jobs that you have saved. At any point in time you want to open them, you can just simply tap on the job and you can find them. If you want to remove a job from this section, just simply click the three dots on the upper right hand side of that job and you'll have the option to unsave it. And that's how easy it is guys. Very easy and very simple.